Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me, take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una, appreciate una well, well. Abeg, una not forget. Na know say na me still get Unto Mama, Untouchable Mama for YouTube. Na me still get am. Na me still get talk your problem, advise me, advise you. Na me still get am. My people, una see this picture wey una dey see so. This lady wey na dey see so na Nigeria lady, Edo state pikin wey dey for Italy. Una no vex say I dey talk like this because the thing maybe some of una don see those video wey just dey go. He married to Italian man. The Italian man wey he married to, na he remove hair comot for him nose, my brothers and sisters. Na make the something weak me. Una see as I take dey talk am. I will play some audio, then I'll still put that video. I'll put am on a list in case of those people wey no dey understand wetin dem dey talk for there. So I go dey pause am, dey tell una wetin dem dey talk for there. Me I first dey play am on the list, my people.
Un caffè ristretto e poche parole. Sono le 7:05 di ieri mattina. Pierangelo Pellizzari, 60 anni, si tocca nervosamente i capelli più volte.
This one na the man. This one na the news wey dem carry come out. The man can't go bar. When he go bar, he go buy cafe. Na know as some oyibo dey do something. I'll put the video now. See am.
Ultime immagini disponibili. 10 minuti dopo esce dal bar e raggiunge a piedi la ditta in cui lavora la moglie Rita AMENZE.
So he can't comot, he can't go where his wife dey work because they married, they get pikin. He can't go where his wife dey work. One of the listing.
È un agguato. Lei arriva in auto con la collega che da qualche giorno la ospita. Dopo la...
She can't arrive work because when the man go where they work, the woman never come. So she can't arrive where she dey work with her friend because she can't dey stay with her friend. So I will tell una, I will still talk about that one.
Con il marito, 4 colpi di pistola, muore sul posto.
So as the man see am with his friend, say don't come back from work, he just give am gboi 4 OCC for head. Now he give am 4. My people.
Delle amiche. Ad agosto Rita era tornata in Nigeria dalla famiglia per qualche settimana. Nel Vicentino si era rifatta una vita e voleva...
So he said this guy when they call Rita, so Rita AMENZE, he can't go Nigeria August, just go visit home. Now understand? So as he visit home, that depends on the way wetin they talk for the news. Now they tell us so.
Con 3 figli,
They say get 3 children. So he don't conclude. The guy don't conclude. Say he no dey do again. He want just do his own life. Now understand? He no dey do again. He want do his own life. Make they do how they go. He no need marriage again.
Voleva saperne. Lui di
so now the man no one year. I know say Oyibo son no be only Oyibo, even some black. They no one year say you want carry their children come out. Especially Oyibo. They no one year say you want carry their children come out. Be you white, be you black. Especially when it come be black. They no one year at all. One of the list.
Si faceva mantenere da lei e dove vivevano.
So the man no dey work. The man na disoccupato. So he no get work. Now the girl na dey work. Na dey take everything up and down. You know, na dey pay bills, everything wey they want do for house. Now the girl dey do am because the man no get job wey dey do.
Di Villaga, in pochi sapevano che lui aveva una condanna a 4 mesi.
They say the man fair get condanna. When they say condanna, they fair he fair do wetin not supposed to do. That is, he fair use hand to touch woman before. That is, he beat woman 4 months. Now they give am for condanna. When they give you condanna, that means if you do another thing, then you not go prison. If you do another thing, they'll come, they count am before they'll come say, okay, this one, they'll come calculate am together, put you for prison.
Per aver picchiato e minacciato la sua precedente compagna, una donna romena che lo aveva denunciato 2 volte.
Forse they say that one na Romena, na the man fed a friend. The man na 60 years old man. Why this girl na 30, abi 31 years old? They said the woman wey fed a friend before he come marry this AMENZE. So they said that one don't fair go tell Ogbalegbe say this man they beat me 2 times. Now they say that one don't go report am. They say maybe this girl now with this AMENZE now, he don't know anything about this man. I know say some people now e no care, maybe you just need documents, or maybe you just okay, me I just marry, if I just get wetin I want do, I say make you just dey go your own. Maybe na that one nobody know, but that one no concern as wetin he can do. So mona listen.
Sposato nel 2017, ma negli ultimi giorni sembra che anche lei si fosse rivolta ai carabinieri denunciando le...
They say they married 2017. Then they married, they get children. Be like say the girl don first go report this her husband to Ogbalegbe, to carabinieri. Una know say when something no dey as I take talk and say no dey pericolo, no dey grave, that is wetin serious. They no go take your that you wan go, you don denunciate, they no take am serious, but they write am down say you don complain. Una understand, na so everywhere be. They write am down, because no be wetin they will just say okay make we go arrest the person. Mona listen.
E di Pellizzari. Dopo l'omicidio lui è tornato a piedi al parcheggio del bar, ha preso la sua jeep ed è andato...
After when he don shoot the girl, he can't leave the car for where he live, and he can't use leg take comot.
Ha lasciato l'auto davanti al borgo, insieme al cellulare, a cui però ha tolto anche la scheda SIM, poi è sparito.
He can't remove he card SIM, remove he off his phone, he can't use leg take dey waka dey go, as he don do wetin he wan do for where the girl dey work, he can't dey waka dey go, because they can't see the car for there, but they no see, and they can't dey think say maybe he don still shoot himself.
In tutta la provincia e anche oltre, gli investigatori non escludono che si possa essere...
So this one, I will still put the video, I will still put that one more, and still list in case of those wey not dey hear, na make me dey talk about, now make me talk am. My brothers and sisters, this thing wey happen, so e shock everybody, because nobody know wetin really happen between them for inside house. So as they talk, it's like they feel they get misunderstanding, or I don't know, or maybe because she can't go home, when she can't come back, can't say okay, I just decide I don't want to do again. But I believe say they feel get misunderstanding, because the way they talk, and the girl can't they stay with his friends. Now the friend now he can't they stay with, now from there he can't they go work. So as she come decide say I no dey do again, I wan carry my pikin, because as they talk am for the video, they say e get 3 children, but I no know whether na 3 or 1. Na the man come talk say lie to lie, nothing go make you carry my children comot, because una know say when white person marry to black, almost they do like that. They fear say maybe you wan carry am comot, you know, see am again, you wan carry am go your country, they come dey fear like that. But wetin come make this man just go there, carry the OCC, just go there, go the girl comot? I no know, only God na know that one, because the thing shock me. And me I believe say the girl no know say the man even get a license of this OCC, if I dey call OCC na, because I no just call the name. I no believe, I know say some women they when they are married, they no even care anything, they look the background of their husband, nothing. Sometimes you ask some women, they don't know anything about their husband, nothing, even they don't know, just they say I be your husband, I don't marry. Now so if they for black, now so if they for white, because you good make they, because if you get husband wey get OCC and they can't collect the license because of wetin if they do, because if you get a license, you get OCC, if they see your misbehavior, they will collect the license from your hand. But I don't know why the OCC can still deal with the man, because otherwise OCC for not dey in hand. Only God na go know wetin really happen between them. Baba God na know, because we not dey there. We dey see wetin dem dey talk, wetin they carry for news, na we dey break come. May her soul rest in perfect peace. That children now, one e get o, na 3 e get o, they can't be motherless. Wetin make that man do that thing now, I don't know. Woman no wan do again, okay, thank God say that voice dey. Now im make am say that they say that you go divorce if you no wan do again, you go your way, I go my own, you leave the children now, say they no get mother. When the children go grow, which kind eye dem come take look you wey remove them their mother for? No, my people, the thing e get as e dey do me, get as I take dey think am say wetin do you, wetin concern you when you just go there? The girl dey work, you no dey work. The girl say no dey do again, okay good, mona separate. You know what, make carry the children, mona sit down, mona talk am. 3 days for your side, 4 days for my side, mona talk am. The best thing now pikin who dem wan go give? Nobody. and the girl na the family dem dey house, dem dey naija. Who go come dey look about, who go come dey look the children now? Nobody. Oh God, which kind wahala be this one? Which kind wahala be this one? Just put your frustration for this girl body. Now wow, my brothers and sisters, the thing really pay me. Really pay me. Thank God say divorce, the one and not the divorce, one and go in peace. Which one become be say no, if you not stay with me, I must remove air comot for your nose. I don't know why they be like that. And they talk and say some people they not well for their brain. Now like this kind of one, I not well for a brain. You know if you remove person, you know if you remove person hair comot for nose, you want make you dey alive, You know even think about the pikin one and born, the time one and take pass. I don't know, my brothers and sisters. The thing tire me, I put the video, more na still listening to wetin dem talk for there before they come catch the man. Because this one na the first news wey come and before they come catch am, because he run when they go see am for his brother house. I'll put the video. God bless you. Help me to share. More na take time. Black and white all na the same. Black and white all na the same for brain. Once dem get problem for their brain, they don't even know whether you be white, whether you be black. All na the same. More na be careful. More na be careful. All these things, if you want to separate with, use your brain. Use your brain, because some people their brain will come for it. More na help me share. And God bless you. Bye bye.
Un caffè ristretto e poche parole. Sono le 7:05 di ieri mattina. Pierangelo Pellizzari, 60 anni, si tocca nervosamente i capelli più volte. Sono le sue ultime immagini disponibili. 10 minuti dopo esce dal bar e raggiunge a piedi la ditta in cui lavora la moglie Rita AMENZE, 30 anni. È un agguato. Lei arriva in auto con la collega che da qualche giorno la ospita dopo la rottura con il marito. 4 colpi di pistola, muore sul posto davanti agli occhi delle amiche. Ad agosto Rita era tornata in Nigeria dalla famiglia per qualche settimana. Nel Vicentino si era rifatta una vita e voleva portare con sé i 3 figli. Pellizzari però non voleva saperne. Lui, disoccupato, si faceva mantenere da lei e dove vivevano, a Quargente di Villaga, in pochi sapevano che lui aveva una condanna a 4 mesi per aver picchiato e minacciato la sua precedente compagna, una donna romena che lo aveva denunciato 2 volte. Forse non lo sapeva neppure Rita quando l'ha sposato nel 2017. Ma negli ultimi giorni sembra che anche lei si fosse rivolta ai carabinieri denunciando le angherie di Pellizzari. Dopo l'omicidio lui è tornato a piedi al parcheggio del bar, ha preso la sua jeep ed è andato a casa, ha lasciato l'auto davanti al borgo, insieme al cellulare, a cui però ha tolto anche la scheda SIM, poi è sparito. Lo cercano in tutta la provincia e anche oltre. Gli investigatori non escludono che si possa essere suicidato nelle campagne, ma potrebbe benissimo essere vivo, armato e pericoloso. Quello di Rita AMENZE ha tutte le caratteristiche di un omicidio premeditato, pianificato, come molti degli altri 50 casi di donne uccise da mariti o compagni dall'inizio di quest'anno.